Once your students have created their Tomplay account from your invite and are marked as active in your profile, you can start collaborating by sharing annotation layers with them. This is a great way to add markings, notes, and musical symbols so your students can immediately see your feedback directly on their scores. They can also add their own annotations on top. The full layer is shared between you and each student individually. To share an annotation layer, first create it here. Give it a name, and then use the tools to add what you need on the score. You can annotate, draw, highlight, or add text and notes. Once finished, go to the Score menu to share the annotated score. Simply select one or more students and click Share. From this menu, you can also delete annotation layers or create new ones. On their app, students will find the shared annotated score by going to Profile, My Teachers, and selecting your name. The annotated score will also appear directly in their My Scores section. When students open the score, they'll see your annotations available from the same score menu. Students can also create and share annotations as well as annotation layers with you by following the same steps. This way, you and your students can easily communicate musical ideas directly on the score in Tomplay.